Hello everybody, vending machine. Okay. Why is it like this? I have no idea. The Dodge van, the Silverado, this fantasy casting, you can see the name there. Batmobile, the Ford Transit, Ford Supervan, Broken Promise, Camaro, Dodge, no, this is Shelby, the GMC Cyclone, Fantasy, Formula bike. Okay, we are here to see Volkswagen Golf Mark III. Moving parts I will buy because opening hatch. The premium stuff is the Ford. Then we have Team Transport, Nissan, and at the side we have, this is nice, the Pop Culture Gran Turismo, Team Transport Toyota Off-Road. So yeah, let me take my money. It's A22. Bye. Okay, if the angle is not right because I'm holding my money. Volkswagen Golf Mark III. Okay, behind is the Nissan, no, it's a Chevy Blazer. And nope, no Harry Potter. Construction is beginning, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.